Hello everyone, how's everybody doing? It's Barbara Campbell, Brooklyn, New York. It's a beautiful day, and I want to thank everybody, all my fans, all my music supporters all around the world. Thank you so much for tuning in and supporting me as an artist here, independent digital music artist, creator. Thank you so much. I wrote a song a while ago, and now I'm ready to perform it. And the title of it is I'm Black. Beauty can define me. So have a seat, enjoy. If you're just tuning in, this is Be Live on Air, Barbara Campbell Television. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Support us as independent music artists, creators. We're entering 2022, not too long from now, and happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. No matter where you are around the world, I see you, I hear you. Thank you so much for supporting me as a Black woman here, entering this music industry. There's so much innovations about to occur and happen, and I want to be part of it and spread my message and inspire you. Music heals the soul. I talk about that. I'm Black. Can a sister get a holler? I'm Black. The sugar in my coffee. I'm Black. Beauty can't define me. I'm Black. Loving my texturized hair. I'm Black. Can I get an amen? I'm Black. Rising to my potential. I'm Black. Can y'all repeat with me? I'm Black. I never seen a funny thing. I'm Black. Can y'all repeat with me? I'm Black. We're all connected. We're all connected. We're all connected. Let me hear it again. I'm Black. What are you? I'm Black. Can I hear it again? I'm Black. Beauty can define me. Beauty can define me. Beauty can define me. Beauty can define me. I'm Black. It's a little preview. If I'm Black, beauty can define me. New song, digitally released. Look out for it. Ready to drop. I'm Black. Beauty can define me. Written by Barbara Campbell. Yours truly. Here from Brooklyn, New York's Crown Heights. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. Independent digital music artist Barbara Campbell. And I appreciate you. Till then, you can't even stay in Brooklyn.